What you call that?
They call the hoe.
The hoe.
Right.
Alright. My Jam Hearts family, how you do? Awesome, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're digging, pun intended, into another intriguing aspect of our Jamaican culture, where yam farming takes center stage. By the way, did you know that yam holds incredible significance in our tradition? Yeah man, it's a crop deeply rooted in our history and heritage. Yam symbolizes strength, abundance and prosperity. It also represents hard work and resilience of our people, showcasing our ability to sustain ourselves and communities. And it's not just a simple crop, it carries with it a rich cultural legacy that has been passed down for generations. In fact, yam is now even in our celebrations. We have what we call yam festivals, where communities come together to celebrate and showcase their harvest. And so, you'll not be surprised that yam is a big feature of our delicious Jamaican cuisine. From the mouth-watering boiled yam to the classic roast yam and salt fish. It's a key ingredient that adds taste and textures to our traditional dishes. Beyond its cultural and gastronomic importance though, yam farming plays a crucial role in our economy. It provides livelihood for many hardworking farmers and contributes to the growth of our agricultural sector. Today, as a firm believer of agriculture in general, but yam farming in particular, I visit a friend of a friend farm here in lush and picturesque Hanover, as we not only highlight the work of small farmers, but seek to preserve this key aspect of our cultural heritage. And stay with me, you might be lucky to get a taste of some delicious Lucy roast yam at the end. Let's go. Going down to the farm. Look at that. That's awesome beauty. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ah, and these are the folks. These are the folks, Miss Jamrock and Miss Inez. Miss Inez. All right, awesome. And that's behind them is Mr. Danny. I'm gonna get to him. It's Danny, right? Danny, Danny. Ah.
That's Samuel's color because he doesn't spray them.
Yeah.
Does that hurt?
So let me introduce these good folks, guys, to you officially. Officially, you hear them talking in the background. This is Miss Inez, community leader here, and call her area leader. That's Miss Jamrock. You know Miss Jamrock from a long time, right? And this is, oh, and of course, this is the yam vines and the beautiful yam vines, several feet tall. Look at that. Look at that, almost touching the sky. And this is Mr. Danny. Danny?
Yes.
Danny Samuels?
Yes, never.
Never?
Yeah, never Samuels.
Never Samuels?
Yeah, I'm never Samuels.
Or AKA Danny?
Yeah.
You know my family is Samuels, but great-grandparents Samuels from Westmoreland?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right, nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah, nice
Say hi to the world, man.
Yes. Big up.
All right, good. Look, good to be here, my brother.
Yeah.
Want to talk to you a little about the good stuff that you're doing here.
Yes.
Farming, we want to recognize you, want to appreciate you. Yam is a big feature of Jamaican culture. Yam farming in general.
Yeah.
You know, and today we want to take the opportunity to just look a little bit more into what you do.
Yes.
And how you do it.
Yes.
All right, so this is your farm.
Yes.
How much, approximately how much yam you farm here is on shore right now?
400.
400 heads.
Yeah, 400 heads.
Heads are hills.
Hills, 400 hills.
And each hill has
Two.
two yam.
Yeah, 2 yam in it.
Only two.
Yeah.
Okay. And what kind of yam you farming?
Negro yam and yellow yam.
Nigger yam and yellow yam.
Yeah.
Those are the two main.
Yes.
Loose
yam.
Eh?
This is a loose yam.
So which one is the loose yam? The yellow yam or the
nigger
nigger
yam
yam?
is a loose yam.
Huh?
Nigger yam is a loose yam.
Oh, the nigger yam you call the loose yam. Okay, and we're gonna look at it later, guys. So what you doing now? What you doing now, mister?
We're weeding up. We clean up the place.
Oh, clean up the place.
Yeah, clean up the yam.
All right. So what I'm gonna ask you to do for us?
Yeah.
There's somebody who have no idea what we're talking about yam, but we take it for granted that people might know what we're talking about. They don't necessarily know. They might know yam, but some people have seen the vine for the first time.
Yes.
And seen how it grows and stuff like that. So we want to educate them, right?
Yeah.
First though, how do you plant the yam?
Right. First thing, you see. First thing, get the bush up, get the land prepare. Park land.
When you say prepare, you mean clean the weeds?
Clean the weeds first. Then we park land. Dig the hill. Make it stay about a month. And then we start putting the
A month?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we put in the head into the hill.
You have any head here?
Yes, so yeah.
You can show us what the head look like and so forth.
Yeah.
That would be helpful.
This is the yellow yam.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the yellow. This is it. Oh, so okay. So all right. Now I'm trying to navigate the hill here, guys. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let me go to Mr. Danny. So these are heads, no?
Yeah, these are the head plants, you know.
These are the heads.
Yes.
And the head mean literally the head, the top part of the.
Yes.
So
this bear the yam on it. So this now ready to put in the hill, you know. Yeah.
So you keep it here for how long?
Now this ready plant now, you know, because this day about month, 1 month, you know, since this day.
So you cut it and put it down for a month?
Yes.
And leave it for it to sprout?
Yes.
Okay. And then you plant it?
Yes, ready to plant now.
Alright. And you plant 2 is per hill?
2 per hill.
But you keep it obviously sheltered, cool and stuff?
Yes.
Alright. So show us the demonstration purposes. How you did the planting? I know you would have done most of the planting already.
Yes, I've done most of the planting already.
You can show him on where the hole is.
Okay. Come on there. Run out there.
You plant one and show him.
Yeah. Bring one there for me, please.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna learn how to plant yam. Using a head, a yam head, right?
Yeah, 2, we're not using it.
2, okay.
Two in the back. So you're gonna dig up the bank.
You call it the bank?
Yes.
Alright, good. Alright, so that is a traditional old
this is
farming tool, man. What you call that?
They call it hoe.
The hoe.
Right.
I didn't even know people still use the hoe here.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And this is a fork over there. Gonna show fork when done.
Yeah, cool.
So how do you like this, you know?
Yeah. The dirt look rich, man.
Yes, it's a rich dirt.
And this is what all the men of this area live. School them children, build a house from
Okay.
the park, the hoe, and the machine.
Yeah. That's a livelihood.
That's
Yes.
the life.
So, this is as long as it takes to make one hill?
Yes. Like on this too.
Okay. Oh. Alright, so sorry man, I didn't expect you to go through all of that to plant, to just show me how to plant it.
Yes, but you know, it's a real thing still.
Alright guys, so
Alright, let me set one showing. You set the one there, Danny.
alright.
I'll show you how a woman set yam.
Alright guys. Alright, so that is so that's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Alright, chop this now, Danny.
How you can do?
You can apply yam. And then set this, alright?
Yes, man.
Okay.
Oh, you remember, man?
Okay.
Alright.
Right, that is it.
Right.
That's it. Alright, cool.
That is it.
Nice. And then that's Miss Ines. That's a female version of planting yam. Miss Ines, alright, good. Now, how long does it from now to reap to harvest, Mister? How long does it take?
9 months.
9 months.
Yeah, 9 months.
You have to be patient, man.
Yeah, 9 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you doing in the 9 month, man?
We do trade work too, no?
Huh?
We do trade work too,
Oh,
man.
you do other stuff?
Yeah, other
Okay.
other stuff,
Or maybe you have other plant by now. You have other yam that will be coming.
Other farming like to the
Rotate
to
the
made,
yam.
yes.
Okay.
Rotate the yam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at this. You have this side of nigger yams finishing by getting right by next month.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
You
right.
have this other side coming up by October.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have everything
Okay.
coming
One
all the
time.
time.
Okay. Cool.
Now you have a set of a yellow yam will come in August, and you have this one will come in December.
Okay.
So you have it.
So it's sorted. Okay. Cool. And the harvesting, I want you to show us now. Okay. So says 9.
Yeah,
let's assume 9 months gone.
Yes.
You're gonna show us now how you reap.
I'm gonna show you all you know.
Yeah. So just before you reap, so you actually touch the
Yes, we have to like this.
what do you call this now?
Yes.
What do you call this thing? The pole?
Stick. Yam
The stick.
Yes.
So you always have to put a stick on
You
them.
always have to put a stick on them.
Okay.
And,
All right.
And this is
And the stick is?
This is overhanging, so you have to do like this. You know.
Mm-hmm. So
In terms of the yam to bear it properly, you know. Yes. And leave it.
okay.
Put up like this.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
You rub it up like this.
Uh-huh.
You get a good result, you understand?
You get better result.
Yes, better result when I do like this.
Okay, cool,
Yeah.
cool. All right, so what we're gonna do now? We're gonna harvest now.
Yeah, we're
We're
gonna
gonna find one to reap.
Yes.
Cool. Follow him, guys. Going down, going down, going down, going down. So this is the field.
Yeah, this is
the field. This is what it looks like. This is what it
Yes.
looks like. And you say you have what? 40 banks here, Mr. Neville?
over here.
Uh-huh.
No, we have over here is 100 over there.
100 bank. Oh,
Yeah, over
100.
there.
Okay. All right. All right. So you find one, sir?
Yeah, we're gonna dig this here.
All right. Cool. All right. So we find one. How you know when it's ready, Mr. Neville?
I'm telling you now, you see?
Mhm.
This yam take 6 months to ripe.
Mhm.
6 months. So whenever after 6 months you can dig it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
So them here now 6 months since them here in the dirt. You understand? You're right.
Okay.
So eventually we can
You can dig.
dig.
But actually, guys, I don't know if you notice. Some of you noticing right now that it's actually there's turmeric right there.
Yeah, too much. I'm planning to know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
So we
Yeah.
have this no, you know.
All right. So what is that now?
This is called the digger.
The digger.
Yeah.
And it's a piece of metal.
Yes, iron.
Okay.
Also take it and bore the wolf put in this bamboo in it. Right.
Okay. Cool. Cool. All right. We're reaping yam, guys. We're reaping yam now. And this again is the same white yam or the nigger yam
Yeah, nigger yam.
or the loose yam.
Yes.
All right. Okay, so you cut off this.
Yes.
So that's it. So that's the head again. That's another head.
This is head for you. So the sea yam now. That is the yam coming out.
Nice.
Right.
Looking good. So after 3 guys here. Nice, nice, nice. A fit, ready.
Yeah, nigger
Yellow,
yam.
not yellow yam.
Nigger yam.
Nigger yam or loose yam.
Yeah.
All right. And it looks ready to you?
Yeah, this is ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
And it's about 4 pounds.
No, it's about 6 pounds.
6 pounds.
Yeah.
Nice, 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 nice.
So this is how we do it after we dig it out.
Yeah. So but it's only one in that one though.
Yeah, this is one in this one.
Oh, you took out one already?
No.
Okay.
They may plant before those.
So it was a single.
Yeah, this was single.
Okay. Fine, fine.
So this is how we do it.
Oh.
In order to give it head, you know?
Okay. So you leave the stem in there?
Yes, but we're gonna cover it up back with some dirt. Right.
And then it will bear again.
Yes.
In another what? 9 months again or thereabout?
6 months.
6 months.
Yeah, 6 months. By December, January.
No, 6 months it's ready, but officially 9 months. Or is that different type?
No, different type of ground.
Oh,
the yellow yam ready 9 months.
Okay, I got you.
But the nigger yam ready 6 months.
Okay, got you.
So this is how we do nigger yam.
Yes. So this one takes 6 months.
Yes.
All right. So you have to remember which one is which. Or you kind of after a while,
yes,
you know.
You know them.
Yeah. All right. Nice. This is a lot of manual labor, guys. You need to appreciate these folks, you know. When next time you eat a piece of yam, man, show some appreciation, man.
True.
Eat it with love.
True. Yeah.
Yes, because it's a lot of manual work.
This is how we do it. Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then what we're gonna do? You know we're gonna roast that thing there, right? You must find it can roast, right? It too fresh to roast?
No, but it thick.
It thick.
It take a little time to roast.
Oh, but you have another piece of can roast?
You have to try one is well.
Oh. Yeah, man, we're gonna roast here, man. We're gonna take you to the roasting process as well. All right, nice. All right, good. All right. So meanwhile you're digging, Mr.
Yes, Samuels.
Mr. Sam, yes.
Yeah.
Mr. Neville, Mr. Sam,
Yeah,
Mr. Danny, many names. Yeah. I'll be asking you a couple of questions,
Yes.
man. So that's the harvesting.
Yeah, that's the harvest.
I was gonna ask you about varieties of yam that you have here. So you said it's really 2 you have here, which is the
sweet yam in it, you know. But not plenty sweet yam, you know.
Okay.
Plenty sweet yam in it.
So the main varieties that you use is what? The sweet yam,
The nigger yam and the yellow yam.
the nigger yam, the yellow yam.
Yes, that's the main variety of yam we're using. Yeah.
And the sweet yam.
Yes.
But those are the 2. So it's really 3 you farm.
Yes.
Mainly here.
Yeah.
Nice.
We have dashing in it, no, but you can see dashing in it.
Yes,
but, you know,
yes.
This is the real thing, you know.
Yes,
the yellow man is the real thing.
Yes. That's the main one.
Yeah, we will put dashing in between.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So let me ask you, my brother, what I mean, it's a very manual process.
Yeah.
Farming is tough. It's not easy.
Yeah.
And so we salute you and all farmers everybody in agriculture all across Jamaica right now. We big you up.
Yeah, man.
I want to find out from you though, what challenges, what challenges do you face in farming?
The major early is I just cut the stick them. Cut the stick and bring them into the ground. That is the only challenge we have right now. Cause the bush is the deal with. The hill also is the deal with. Planting also is the deal. Don't stick. Cut the stick down by the bush down there.
And get them up.
That's the only challenge we have right now.
Okay. Yeah. And would you say that's consistent with most of the farmers in the area?
Yes.
Most of the issues that they have?
Yes. Only stick.
And you have to buy it from somebody, or you
No, we have to buy it.
In your area, you can just go in the woods and get it?
We can cut it,
okay. Yeah. If anybody from the ministry and every Ministry of Agriculture, anybody watching, so eventually one will watch it, what would you want to say to them in terms of any support otherwise?
Well, as I say, farming is good. You only need a little help, like to buy fertilizer at times. I don't sometimes have as much funds to buy fertilizer. So you have to do other work, like dig some turmeric. Dig some turmeric, as I say. Dig some turmeric and sell.
Yeah. Yeah.
Buy fertilizer. Well, that is the only thing we have right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So just fertilizer.
Yes.
It gets expensive. How expensive is it now?
Fertilizer is 7,000 £50. Yeah. 7,050 £50.
How much? So it raised up?
Yes, it raised up. But the big bag, the big 100 £100, is 12,000.
Oh, cool. So that's where you need help. You think we need help?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we have, as I say, we have head. We can maintain ready.
Yes.
The fertilizer we need direct now. Balance of everything.
Yeah. Is this what you do full time? This is farming. This is
farming really.
Yeah. From how long are you doing it? How long are you in farming now?
Good period of time, like 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
Oh, so you were doing something before you start farming?
Yeah.
I just all your life?
Yeah, no, it's a treatment,
Oh, you do different things?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is me really.
Yes. Focus.
Yeah, this is me focus.
Focus. Well, we salute you, man. We salute you.
Man.
We salute you and all the farmers.
Animal.
Man.
I'm some animals today.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, some animals.
Some animal me have.
Nice. What kind of animal you have?
Cow and goat.
Okay. Nice.
All
right. Cool. All right. Well, let's do some roasting, man.
Yes.
Let's go back top and take some roast.
Yes.
Well, I want you now to big up Mr. Neville for me. Give Mr. Neville a like. We're heading back up to the top here where we're gonna do some roasting. So I'm gonna line up the fire. And by the way, guys, while we wait to get our yam roasted, I'll share with you 5 surprising health benefits of yams. Number 1, it's good for digestive health. Yams are high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and bowel regularity. Yam is an antioxidant powerhouse. Yams contain antioxidants that protect cells from damage and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Number 3, yams are rich in vitamin C. You might be surprised, yes. And beta-carotene, which boosts the immune function and aids in wound healing. Number 4, a nutrient boost. Yams provide essential micronutrients like potassium, manganese, and vitamin B6 for overall health and energy metabolism. And number 5, good for the heart. Yams' fiber content and nutritional profile contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Now you know. Alright guys, just came off a farm. I'm back on the top of the road here, and guess what? Guess what? Yes, you're right. We're going to roast yam, man. Roast, and this is a loose yam, my brother, right? Loose yam. Oh, you have planting too? Eh? Roast planting too?
Yeah.
Oh, I get more than bonus today. All right. All right, guys. So while we wait on the yam to get ready to roast, I'm gonna have a little talk with here, Miss Inez, who is a resident of this community. What's the name of the community again, Miss Inez? Maryland. And yam is a significant part of this community, right?
Yes.
How so? Tell me.
From in the past days, the elderly people them live. Their main source of living was farming, and the main source was planting yam.
Yam.
Okay, they school their children, they build their house, and they took care of themselves, family. They never used to go out. These people never used to go. They never know nothing about hotel working. I go out in other towns to work. Like now, the young people, they go out now and they get work in hotel.
Call center.
Call centers. These people never used to anything like that. They mainly depend on yam.
And they survive.
And they survive.
And send the kids to school.
Yes.
And those kids now have their own profession and career now,
Yes,
probably.
yes. So what they did it now to survive, the farmers used to live good. They unite with each other, and they call it, they make up a gang. We would say gang in those days, a farmers gang, and call it partner work. So you have 10 men work for me today. The same 10 work for you tomorrow, and the other day the 10 go around because there's 10 men in the group. So every day they work for another. So that is why the farming became large.
The work get lighter too.
And the work
That's
get
nice.
lighter. You know, because they join together and unite together. Say, united we stand.
Yes.
Divided we
And you have lived all your life here. I know you travel, but you live all your life here for the most.
Yes.
And that is what it, as I say, I've seen it like 40, 50 years.
Yeah.
You think
Yes.
Okay. You travel, as I mentioned. Where do you travel to?
I went to America and I went to England 3 times. Yeah.
You live in England as well?
I not live, I do 6 months now.
You visit?
Yes.
So you go back and forth?
Yes.
You know the obvious question I'm going to ask you
Yeah.
is what makes Jamaica special?
Jamaica is one of the best country we can think of. Apart from the crime, Jamaica is very special. Sunshine, the sea and land.
But you get that in England too?
Yes, but not after. We remember, England you have it just 6 months or 3 months because the winter you cannot go near. Jamaica all year round.
Nice.
You can enjoy Jamaica. The white sea sand beach. Okay.
Awesome. I've noticed.
Awesome. And the Caribbean food.
Including the yam.
Yes.
All right.
You know the other good thing with Jamaica and the countries that I travel, you cannot go there and pick a bush in America and drink. You cannot pick it in England and drink. But Jamaica have every herb for every sickness.
So when you say you can't pick it, you mean it's not available or it's not?
You don't see it.
Oh, you don't see it. Okay.
You don't see it. You don't know it. The type of grass what them have there, you don't know it, so you cannot be. But Jamaica, any sickness you think of, there is a herb in Jamaica for it. Yes.
And speaking of herb, this place is lush.
Yes.
And abundant with herbs. All kind of herbs. We actually just ran into one guy that they call the soap bush.
Soap bush.
The soap bush. It's a literal soap bush. So this is it. So this is the soap bush. Yes. The soap bush, guys, that we ran into here. Some of you hear me saying talking about the all kind of herbs. Look at this one. This is.
You don't have any money to buy soap. You can just go to the bush. And you can use this. Look at the soap. It let your hands feel so mild.
Look at, all right, rub some on my hand for me.
Yeah, that is the thing from the soap.
Wow.
Okay, you cannot tell nobody that you don't use soap.
All natural. You feel good too?
That's nice. And your hand feels so nice when you rub it down.
So this is one of the stuff that makes Jamaica special. You have all kind of.
Yes.
So guys, if you know the soap bush, tell me about it. I would love to hear from you. Drop something in the comment. Awesome. So all of this stuff, that is what makes
Jamaica special.
Huh?
Because you don't go anywhere and get this.
So this is Miss
Deans.
Miss Deans, Mr. Neville's wife, right?
Yes.
Nice man. A resident here as well.
Yes. Yes. All soap is gone.
Wow.
And we have the lemongrass and you have the fever grass, which is such a nice tea. You know.
Yes.
And you have the marigold. Worst of all, you have the Spanish needle, which they call it the chamomile.
I name chamomile?
Yes,
Spanish needle?
The Spanish needle.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? I didn't know that.
I didn't know. I watch it on the Facebook when the gentleman go up in the hills on the tour, and when they reach in the bulk of Spanish needle, he said, this is chamomile. Spanish needle was our first color.
Yeah.
My grandparents used to use it as the first color. She would say, girl, go get one, go down a bush, go cut some color. And then we get the Spanish needle, and we get the coconut, we grate it, juice it, and then we cook the Spanish needle in the coconut as run down with saltfish. You don't want a better dinner. You see, if you get some green breadfruit, you don't want a better food. You don't want a better
here you go. You're the fever
you have this is the noni.
No man, it's okay.
With a young noni on it. And this is, even the leaf is good for pain.
Yeah.
Yes. And this noni can drink with your honey. It's a very good medicine.
Awesome.
Yes. And you have this now the fever grass. When I was a child, I said, "Now fever, you rub you up in the water, and you bathe the baby with you, whosoever have the fever." But this I wanted to drink.
All right.
It's a very good tea.
Yes.
Very nice tea. You know?
Right. Awesome.
So Jamaica is so special because wherever you turn in Jamaica, there is a herb for pain, for bellyache, for sugar, for pressure, for heart, for cancer. Think of it, name it. You can get a herb that match every complaint.
All right, guys. So, like we're ready, and we have the plate them ready. Actually, that is actually historically this is what they use as plate. What they call it, eh?
Saltfish bush.
Saltfish bush. All right, the guys scrape some yam now. But this well roast, man.
No, it's roast.
More than roast.
Yeah, it's more than roast now.
Yeah. All right, so this is so we're getting, it's almost there, guys. So this is a roasted, we call this nigga yam or loose yam. All right, and one of the features of this loose yam is what? It's white, right?
White.
Let me show you. It's have a
it's boiled. It's pure white.
Pure white.
Pure white.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We have to. Want the skin funny. The skin, more nutrients in the skin. So, guys, this is the old roast yam, man. Looking good, the loosey roast yam. And the taster is gonna taste and tell you how it tastes.
Hot.
No, man, not too hot.
Okay.
Not too hot enough.
Uncle.
All right. Go ahead, Miss Lucy. I almost say Miss Lucy. The taster. Dig into it, the hot.
Yes,
Yeah, man, good for you. Oh, that's yeah. You can't get the taste on the hot. Anyway, all right, guys, nice. All right. Oh my God, somebody's dying for it right now online, Miss Demra. All right, hush, guys. I'll eat for you and I. I'm gonna go and have mine. Thank you very much. Big up, Mr.
Samuel.
Sir Sam. Big up again, man. You know, I have two questions for you. I know you're running to go eat yours, but
Yes.
I have questions for you. All right. The yam in general, you've been planting yam the bigger part of your life.
Yeah, most of the time.
Most of your life.
Yeah.
What would you say is the biggest achievement so far with yam?
Yam now, when we sell yam, send my kids to school,
Yeah.
build my house,
Yeah.
you know, as usual.
Same yam.
Yeah.
Big up the yam. Big up yam, farming, and agriculture.
general.
People in general.
Yeah.
Every time.
But if you go up the road, it's good to go around it.
Jamaican yam, man. This is how I like it. How about you? How do you like to have your yam? Come on, tell me. Share it in the comments. By the way, there's another video you need to see. I did another farm tour with Rastaman. Jabi in the hills of Latri. It's a little old, but you're gonna love it. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.